Hey folks, Don DeRosa here, just getting ready to go into the general meeting here at Atlanta REIA. But before I did, I wanted to tell you about a 3-day event that we're putting on for rehabbing. Anybody that's wanted to do rehabbing or flipping, buying, fixing, and flipping should attend this event. It's a 3-day event. We're going to have it on the 27th, 28th, and the 29th of September. Day one, we're going to tell you how to, kind of get in there and tell you what a good flipping strategy should be, what you should be looking at. Do you want to do an A renovation, a B renovation, a C type renovation? We're going to tell you the difference between each of those. What's the best method for marketing? How do you find these properties? How do you secure the funding for this type of stuff? Those are all going to be some of the things we cover on day one. How to evaluate the properties, work with contractors, work with paperwork. How do you flip houses, multiple houses at one time? So if you want to do this as a business and not just as a one-hit wonder and do one at a time, how do you set your business up for that? How do you evaluate the profits so that you make sure that you're going to make money at the end of this thing? What paperwork do you use? How important it is to get a seasoned contractor, a seasoned lender? What are the tax ramifications of doing flips? How what you should be doing from a tax perspective, and then how do you sell a property that you flip? We sell our properties in a matter of hours once they're done, days at the very most, where most people are spending months, several months to get the same results, or most of our stuff sells well over what we listed for. So why does it happen? Why do we get that versus other people who are barely struggling to get rid of their houses in 30, 45 days, 60 days or more? So we're going to show you what goes into that. How do you handle inspectors, appraisers? I mean, some of the lowest paid people in your project could literally destroy your entire deal and basically make your profits go up in smoke if you're not careful with that. So that's day one and day two. Day three, we're gonna pile you all in a bus, and we're gonna go out into the field, and we're gonna actually look at houses. We're gonna show you how to do the scope of work, what you should be looking for, how to do what we call a top-down approach or a T-method approach. How do you do a SKU-based method for your rehabs? All of that stuff's going to be jammed into a 3-day event, and we do it once a year. So I highly encourage anybody that wants to learn how to buy, fix, and flip to attend this, because this could be one of the best seminars you've been to all year. And if you want to flip properties going into the next 6 months to a year, we are transitioning from what we call a seller's market into a general, more of a buyer's market. We're starting to transition, okay? You need to learn this, and you need to learn how to differentiate yourself, because eventually we are going to get into a buyer's market, and when we do, those skills are what's going to separate you into someone that can pull out major profits versus little dinky profits, or have your property sit for a number of months. Our properties sit days, sometimes hours, versus everybody else's that sit months, a month or two. So we're going to show you how to do all that. So space is limited. So click whatever button you got to click. Sign up today. You're going to get a manual. You're going to get a lot of other stuff. So take advantage of this. We only do it once a year. It's probably one of the best seminars you will go to all year. So take advantage of it. Click the link below, and I will see you on the 27th, 28th, and the 29th. Have a good day.